Greetings, my name is Deborah Duke. I'm the founder and president of MenoGeniX. MenoGeniX is a clinical stage biotech company developing a new therapy for menopause. There are over 70 million menopausal women in the 7 major markets with symptoms so severe they seek therapy. There are only 2 FDA-approved therapies. Hormone therapy is highly effective but has severe life-threatening side effects that limits its use. Brisdale, a low-dose form of the antidepressant Paxil, is only weakly efficacious, also has unacceptable side effects. Most women reject hormone therapy and Brisdale. Our product would be a welcome alternative for women and their healthcare providers. Our solution is MNGX 102, a proprietary version of human GCSF. We have evidence from a placebo-controlled phase 1A clinical trial that shows that MNGX 100 works. Similar to Brisdale, this is an example of drug repurposing. Drug repurposing is relatively common in the biotechnology industry. Illustrated on this slide are examples of some repurposed drugs. Similar to MNGX 102, most of these were developed as a result of anecdotal observations. MenoGeniX initiated its clinical development program with a phase 1A clinical trial that was randomized, double-blind, and placebo-controlled. The study included 30 women with naturally occurring or surgically induced menopause with moderate to severe hot flashes. The goal of the trial was to evaluate the safety and efficacy of one subcutaneous dose of GCSF over the course of 3 months. Subjects recorded the frequency and severity of hot flashes daily and completed quality of life questionnaires during the study. GCSF was well tolerated with only mild adverse events of limited duration. There was a statistically significant reduction in hot flash frequency and severity versus placebo. About 40% of the treated women versus none of the controls reported a response similar to hormone therapy. There was significant improvement in the quality of life questionnaires, and this study demonstrated that our therapy is most effective for women with severe symptoms. Based on the phase 1A clinical trial data of a single dose of MNGX 102, the phase 1B clinical trial design was set in motion. The choice between a dose-ranging or repeat administration trial needed to be decided. Funded by the NIH and working with clinical consultants and advisors, the phase 1B clinical trial was designed to employ 3 once-monthly injections. The objectives of this ongoing trial are safety, tolerability, and efficacy. Upon completing phase 1B and 2A clinical trials, we will initiate manufacturing of a proprietary form and formulation of GCSF to conduct phase 2 and phase 3 trials leading to FDA approval. With our issued patents, a new biologic entity creates market exclusivity and deters off-label use. The market potential for MNGX 102 is enormous, even compared to the market for GCSF and neutropenia. A pricing model has been developed that makes MNGX 102 competitive to existing therapies. MenoGeniX is seeking a partner or investors to fund future product development. Recent acquisitions by Astellas and Bayer suggest that positive phase 1B and 2A clinical trial data will represent a major inflection point for MenoGeniX. Here are our timelines and milestones. We believe that phase 2 human proof of concept data could be achieved by the end of 2024. Here's our team of highly experienced management, key opinion leaders, and advisors. In summary, MenoGeniX is a phase 2 clinical stage biotech company focused on developing a drug for menopause. Menopause represents a huge unmet medical need. We have positive phase 1A clinical trial data. We have a strong team. We have issued patents covering menopause and arthritis. And we're seeking a partner or investors to fund a proof of concept phase 2 clinical trial. Thank you for your time and interest in MenoGeniX.